students. Welcome to your favorite channel, Chemistry Learning Made Easy. In this video, I will discuss the commonly used items in day-to-day life which is completely driven by chemistry. In my lecture I will show the organic compounds which is present in fruits and vegetables which we commonly consume almost every day. In this video I will discuss about the chemistry of garlic. So, let us start. Garlic, in Hindi called as Allicin, are frequently used in cooking, but its use comes with the unwanted accompaniment of garlic breath or bad breath. On the more beneficial side of things, it can also have antibacterial properties. This post examines the chemical compounds behind these two phenomena. These chemical compounds are formed when the garlic clove is mechanically damaged. This causes enzymes to break down the compound allicin, found in the cloves, to form allicin. Allicin is the major compound that contributes to chopped garlic's aroma. It too is broken down into a range of sulfur-containing organic compounds, several of which contribute to the garlic breath or bad breath effect. Research has identified four major compounds that contribute: diallyl disulfide, allyl methyl sulfide, allyl mercaptan, and allyl methyl disulfide. Of these, allyl methyl sulfide is the compound that takes longest for the body to break down. It is absorbed in the gastrointestinal tract and passes into the bloodstream, then passes on to other organs in the body for excretion, specifically the skin, kidneys, and lungs. It is excreted through the skin via sweating, in the urine, and through your breath. This effect can last up to 24 hours, until all of the compound is excreted from the body, causing a faint, lingering, garlicky aroma. So, what can you do to mitigate this effect? Some research has been carried out in the area, and a number of foods have been discovered to mildly reduce garlic breath. By consuming food containing dhania, milk, apple, spinach, and mint. The mechanism for their reduction of the effect is still unclear, with some research suggesting chlorophylls in vegetables have the potential to freshen breath, whilst more recent research provides evidence that this is not the case. Instead, it's suggested that the deodorizing effect is due to enzymatic action of some compounds in the deodorizing substances, which ultimately assist in breaking down the organosulfur compounds. Sulfur-containing compounds are again involved in the antibacterial properties of garlic. Researchers tested these compounds on a type of bacteria found in animal feces, one of the most common bacterial causes of gastroenteritis, and found that the antimicrobial activity of the compounds increased with the number of sulfur atoms present, diallyl trisulfide being the most effective, followed by diallyl disulfide, then diallyl sulfide. These compounds are effective as they can penetrate the cell membranes of bacteria cells, and cause changes in structure in thiol, SH, containing enzymes and proteins, injuring the cell. Another suggested potential positive effect of garlic is as an insecticide against ticks and mosquitoes. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for our latest video update.